Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fix when your Tinder app is not working on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. It might be pretty much frustrating whenever you're trying to open up your Tinder account, you're not being able to do so since it seems like it's got some problem in it. Here are some quick fixes you could try out in order to resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure to have a strong internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn on your airplane mode and wait for a couple of minutes. After waiting for some time, disable the airplane mode. Now, wait until your mobile device gets connected to an internet. Once it does, if your problem was network related, you might be able to solve your issue right away. To check that, tap open Tinder and see if it works like it was supposed to. If it does, then there you have successfully solved the issue. If not, the next thing to do is to delete and reinstall the application. Deleting and reinstalling your application not only puts you up with the latest version of Tinder, it also refreshes your app experience. To do that, press hold Tinder application from the home page and tap on Remove App. Tap on Delete App option displayed in the pop-up. Once you delete your Tinder application, go back to App Store and search for Tinder. Once you do that, reinstall the application by tapping on the download button. And once it has been downloaded, it'll be downloaded with the latest version, and also your application will also get a quick refresh. Once you have the latest version of Tinder, go tap open Tinder to see if you've been able to solve the problem. If you're still experiencing issues with the Tinder application on your iPhone, try using Tinder.com instead by opening up a web browser, and you might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Tinder app is not working on your iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.